people of the internet. It is me, Molly, and I'm back with another thrift haul, garage sale haul, all the things, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video and I will get into it. So why I've been gone is I just moved into college. I transferred from a community college to a university, so I brought my camera and everything, and I knew I was getting a MacBook for my school, from my school because of my major. It is like the USB-C, and I don't have like the attachment to be able to use my my memory card, so I'm waiting until I get that. It's I think ordered, or like I have someone, my sister knows someone that can give me one, so I'm waiting till that happens. Otherwise you might see some videos on webcams, but since I'm home for the weekend and I have a computer here that I can edit on and everything, I knew that I could just film a video and get it out for you guys. So I went thrifting this weekend. I had to go sourcing because my closet was dry. I went to Salvation Army yesterday. I spent $40, which I did not expect, but I did buy stuff for myself, which is good because I feel like I never buy stuff for myself anymore at the thrift store. I mainly go for like my job and stuff because reselling right now is my only job, and it's been going really well actually. First thing I got is this Forever 21 Plus size top, and it's a 3X, and it's super cute. It has like crochet lace detailing on the front, and even though it is fall time, it's the first day of fall actually that I'm filming this, the fall equinox, who is they? I don't know. I know that it can be warmer in other states, so I wanted to like have that option for people, not just have all winter stuff. So yeah, and plus this is great for layering and could look cute with a blazer. Then for myself, I got this Chelsea and Theodore dress. It's like a tie-dye with like, it's a brown and white tie-dye dress, and it's very like goddess-like. I love that aesthetic. Like it's very much me boho and like goddess-like. And then the back has like a really large like keyhole back, so it's not really a keyhole back, but the best description I got. And it's very long and it feels like sheets. It's very, very soft and billowy, and I got my mom's opinion and she really liked it, and it was $9, but I was like, let's just do it. Then I got this Ari and Ollie shirt, and it's kind of like a peplum design. It's really, really cute, and this is an extra large. I thought this was like a beautiful color, even though it's fall time. We all need some spring in our life, and Ari and Ollie is such a cute brand. They have lots of nice basics. I actually own one of their like white shirts, and it has like the parachute arms. It's super cute. I might insert a picture if I feel like it, but I love that top, and I was like, someone will like this one, so I got this. I actually had my first encounter with a reseller. At least I thought she was one, because I was just kind of like minding my own business, and I try and look in all areas of the store. I'm not just looking for one specific size. So I mean, maybe that gave me away that I was looking through like extra small all the way up to like double XL. I don't know. She must have just known, and it's not like I had a cart full of stuff or anything yet, but she like jumped in front of me and started going really, really fast, looking at everything, and then all of a sudden I look over and she had a huge, like her arm was full of clothes, and she like ran over to her mom, and she was pregnant, and she was like in her mid-20s, and just giving a description. It's nothing against her at all. Yeah, and I guess my mom overheard her saying that someone stole her cart, and I felt really bad because like that stinks at the thrift store especially. I've never had it happen to me, knock on wood, but I mean like that would really stink, especially if you are like a reseller. She was just going really fast, and I was kind of like, you know, cool, like awesome. And I just like went around because I was looking for myself too, so I went to like the medium large section, and I was just kind of like looking. Usually, you know, I like, even if I'm thrifting for myself, I look at every single thing because you never know what you're gonna find. And she just like was kind of acting like it was a race, and was like kept going around me and like looking ahead of me to find good stuff before I could find it. And I was like, I mean, you do you, boo. I was like, I am not here to race. And right after I got out of the fitting room, she was like waiting for me to come out of the fitting room, and she watched me put my stuff back, and like I turned around to look because I went to go look at the shoes with my mom, and I turned around and she was like looking at everything I put back and was like picking stuff out, and I was like, okay, I mean, live your life. But she was very like competitive almost, so I ran away to the dress section so I didn't have to deal with her anymore. And I found this Eloise by Anthropologie dress. It's the older Eloise tag, and it's very soft and perfect for the fall and winter time. So yeah, I really like it. It has this really beautiful lace, or not lace, but cutout detailing on the sleeves and also on the bottom hem. Thought this was gorgeous at the size medium. That was exciting to find 2 Anthropologie pieces. Then I also, looking at the shoes, I found these Born shoes. I don't have any boots like this, and these are just so adorable. Then this is completely different from reselling and from like just a thrift haul in general, but I got a pack of bracelet making, like fairy floss, whatever, I don't know. People call it many different things. I was an intern at my church this past summer, and we did lots of bracelet making, and there's so many fun colors in here. I was like, I have to get it, and this was $2, and the crafty part of me was like, yes. Then today, I actually realized that I forgot some of the stuff that I bought today at Savers. I had a coupon for Savers, so I went there with my mom and my sister Sarah. I'll show you quick what I got at a garage sale. So my mom and I stopped at 2 garage sales. This beautiful top, which is a 4X, and I think this is so beautiful. So I got this top, and then I got this one, which is a 5X, and it's new with tags. So this was a super exciting find, and it's like their Georgette button back top, and it's just beautiful. And I thought this would be gorgeous on anyone, and these are so a nice floral for like the fall and winter. So yeah, I'll go jump and get my other stuff that I got today as well, and I'll be right back. Okay, and then the last couple of things I got today. So I found this for myself, and I got this for $4, and it's a Minnesota State Fair Skyride t-shirt, and I love the back. That's what got me. And this isn't vintage from what I can like recall, because it's just a Gildan t-shirt, but I love the print on it, and it reminds me of Vinted. I got this fish printed LuLaRoe top, and lastly I got this Ecote sweater. So it's a very lit it's a very light weight knit, and I thought this was really pretty. It's nice and stretchy. It's a size large, and the back has this type of like linen material. That is my haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so sorry for not filming in like 2 weeks, but if you want to see anything else reseller related, just keep on subscribing, liking this video, and comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts on what I got. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye. Falling